How to make a transparent effect of an anime image in Photoshop. First of all, you have to convert your image into a smart object. After that, press Settle You and set the saturation to -100. Press OK. Now, make a copy of that layer. Then go to the blend mode and select Color Dodge. Next, press Ctrl-L to open the levels. Do the adjustments until it looks bright and shiny. Press OK. Now, hold Shift key and select both the copy layer and the original layer. And make a group. After that, go to Select Color Range. Now use the color picker to click on the bright or highlighted area of the anime image. Set the fuzziness to 200 and make sure to enable the invert option. Press OK. Finally, select the mask. And here it is, your transparent anime effect is ready.